Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear the measure of standard deviation in discrete series by shortcut method. Recently, we have clear a direct method. Next one is shortcut method. Let us write down the statement. In this statement, the values of x are given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and last one is 50. And the values of f frequency is also given. So let us write down the values of f. Frequency is 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 9, 5 and last one is 2. In shortcut method, no need to calculate arithmetic mean. We will assume from the values of x, assumed mean. We have assumed 25. So this is the assumed mean. So let us do calculate dx. Dx can be calculated x minus a. A will be subtracted from all the values of x. It means 5 minus 25. It will be minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0. Then 5, 10, 15, 20 and last one is 25. So these are the values of dx. Then f dx, frequency multiplied by dx. It is minus 40, minus 75, minus 70, minus 50, 0, then 100, 250, 9 multiplied by 15, that is 135, then 100 and last one is 50. Next we have to calculate frequency multiplied by dx square. For the calculation of dx, let us see that one dx is here, another dx is here. So if f dx is multiplied by dx, if we multiply dx or f dx, then the calculations will be f multiplied by dx square. So let us see which will be the calculation. Minus 20 multiplied by minus 40, it will be 800. Minus 15 multiplied by minus 75, it will be 1125, then 700, 250, then 0, 500, then 2500, next one is 2025, next 2000 and last one is 1250. And let us sum up all the values of f dx square or sigma f dx or the values of n. The value of n is equal to 100. Sigma f dx, the values will be 400 because some values are positive and some values are negative. Ultimately, positive 400 will be there. Then sigma f dx square, the calculations will be 11,150. And now let us do calculate the value of standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to sigma f dx square divided by n minus sigma f dx divided by n whole square whole under root is equal to sigma f dx square, that is 11,150 divided by 100 minus sigma f dx which is 400 divided by 100 whole under root. So it will be 111.5 minus whole square is also there, minus 16 under root, and this is 95.5 under root is equal to 9.77. So the value of standard deviation is 9.77 in a discrete series by shortcut method. Answer is 9.77. In the previous video we have calculated standard deviation in discrete series by direct method. Values were same, x and f was same, and the answer was also same. So that's all regarding the video, and do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation. Thank you.